I'm going to build a brand new app from scratch and document everything until I reach 10K MRR. This series is called From App ID to 10K MRR. I'm building an app in public and I'll show you how to come up with an ID, validate the concept, build the app, get an audience, grow it, and so much more. And I'm not doing this alone. I have a lot of community friends that I'll invite. I'm going to ask somebody to design the app icon. I'm going to get ASO advice. I want to see if somebody that won an Apple Design Award can give me some tips on what to do. How do I get my app even featured by Apple? Here's what I want to achieve with the app. Some realistic, some ambitious. But hey, we're up for a challenge. First, I want to get featured by Apple. We're starting bold, isn't it? Then I would love to become an app of the day. My current app is a Mac app. Becoming an app of the day there has been quite challenging. But maybe on iOS, I have a better chance. I want to win an Apple Design Award. Okay, this is bold. I don't think that will happen. But who knows? Maybe the series will last for 5 years and eventually I'll get the cube. I want to get the first subscriber. That's kind of the moment it stops becoming a hobby and it's actual work. No, joking. It will always remain a hobby. Obviously, I want to reach 1K MRR. I can aim for 10K, but if I don't even reach 1K, something is going on. I want to acquire the first user, but also the first 1,000 users. I want to get featured on all those websites like 9to5Mac. I want the bill that nobody wants, like the revenue cat expensive bill. The more expensive it is, the more money you make, isn't it? So that gets us closer to the 10K MRR. I want to get 1,000 App Store reviews. The more reviews, the better your app will do. So that is super important for growth. Maybe I also want to spend like 1,000 on paid acquisition and maybe make paid acquisition actually work. If I can show you how to do that, that would be golden. And I'm sure I'll come up with more milestones along the way. These are the goals and I want to celebrate those milestones with you. And yes, we're also going to celebrate the first crash or the first 1-star review because those are all part of the journey. And I want to show like an honest story of somebody building an app from his home office, maybe also as a side project because my main job is still Swiftly articles and the newsletter and Rocket Sim and so on and so on and so on. But hey, I want to show you how you can come from an app ID and make it a successful app and how you should make decisions. So in episode 2, the next one, I'll show you how to come up with a good app ID. The 8 requirements your app ID should conform to before it's becoming successful. You can get rid of 90% of your app IDs already. In that episode, I'll use those requirements to come up with 2 good app IDs. And then in episode 3, I'll reveal the app ID that I'm going to build. And it's going to be surprising. Something unexpected happens. So if you want to follow this entire journey from app ID to 10K MRR, make sure to subscribe to this channel. And sure, you can also like this video. This series is going to be honest, transparent, maybe also a bit scary, but that's the fun part. I just truly want to show you like the challenges you have to face when you're building apps independently. And maybe you have a full-time job right now and you dream of going indie. Well, this series is for you. I'll show you how it all works. And nowadays with AI, there is so much potential. So I can't wait to jump in and I hope that you will join me on this journey. So welcome to From App ID to 10K MRR and hopefully see you in the next episode.